Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
With your right hand, point down and to the right, then move it over to the left. Move your right hand around in a big clockwise circle until you are pointing straight to the right. Rock over on your left foot, bringing your right foot up as you move your right hand over to the left with your palm facing to the left. Now rock onto your right foot, bringing your left foot up as you move your right hand over to the right and bring your fingers and thumb together. Repeat these moves, but keep your left foot down when you move your hand to the right again. Quickly point down and to the left with your right hand, then move it over to the right before moving your arm in a big counterclockwise circle until you are pointing straight to the left. Slowly move your right arm to the right until you are pointing straight to the right. Look to the left and bring your right foot up as you extend your right arm over to the left and bend your left elbow so that your left arm is in front of your right arm and your palm is facing the camera. Bring your right foot down and your left foot up as you move your arms down and to the right, keeping them crossed at the wrists. Bring your left foot down, then begin to swing your arms in a big clockwise circle, keeping them together. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you turn to the right and continue to swing your arms in a clockwise circle until they are extended straight out to the right. Keeping your elbows bent, swing your hands out to either side as you step forward on your right foot, then step in place on your left foot and bring your right foot back to meet your left foot. Turn to face the camera, put your left hand behind your back, and step forward on your left foot as you shake your right hand, with your index finger extended, over to the right. Step in place on your right foot, then bring your left foot back to meet your right foot. Turn to the left and bend your elbows, bringing your right hand up and your left hand further down. Switch their positions as you step forward on your right foot, then switch them again as you step in place on your left foot. Then switch them once more as you bring your right foot back to meet your left foot. Turn to the left again and repeat the second count of this section, but shake your left hand out to the left instead. Turn to the left until you are facing the camera and step forward on your right foot, then step in place on your left foot before bringing your right foot back to meet it. Turn your knees and toes in as you bring your arms horizontally in front of you with your palms facing down. Keeping your elbows bent, spin your arms outward until your palms are facing up as you step over to the right with your right foot. Bring your right foot back over to meet your left foot and put your fists on your hips, then step over to the left with your left foot before bringing it back over to meet your right foot. Point over to the right with your right hand as you bring your right foot forward and a bit to the right with your toes pointing up. Bring your right foot back in, then move your left foot over to the left in the same manner as you point to the left with your left hand. Bring your left foot in and down, then bring your right foot up again as you extend both arms in front of you and a bit out to either side. Bring your right foot in and down, and your left foot up as you bring your hands together with your arms still extended. Step back on your left, then right foot, then separate your hands and wave at the camera. Put your left hand on your leg, then curve your right arm in and down as you bend your knees and move your head over to the left. Move your left arm down and to the left, then, keeping your elbow bent, move your right arm in 3 clockwise circles. On the red side, put your left hand behind your back, step behind your right foot with your left foot and extend your right arm up and to the right, then do the same on the black side. On the red side, bring your right hand down in front of your face with your palm facing out as you look down and to the left, then do the same on the black side. Wait 1 count. Step back out to the left with your left foot on the red side as you move your right hand in the same direction, keeping your hand horizontal, then move your left arm further to the left in the same manner. Do the same on the black side, then wait for 1 count. On both sides, bring your left foot over to meet your right foot so that you are leaning slightly to the left as you curve both hands up and out from your sides. Put your left hand behind your back and step back out with your left foot as you bring your right hand around the left side of your face from front to back. Extend both arms straight over to the left, then move them to the right, then back to the left. On the red side, quickly extend your right arm down and to the right with your palm facing out, then extend your left arm down and to the left as you look down and to the left. Do the same on the black side, then wait 1 count. Back on the red side, bring your left foot over near your right foot, bending your knees and turning your left knee slightly to the right as you bring your right hand in front of your face with your palm facing out, then cross your left wrist over your right wrist. Do the same on the black side, then wait 1 count. Step back out to the left with your left foot as you move your arms up and out, then bring both hands in to rest on your chest as you look down. Bring your feet together, then run in place for 1 count. On the red side, plant your right foot, put your left fist on your hip, and point up and to the right. Now do the same on the black side. Repeat sections 1 and 2 of part 1. Repeat section 3 of part 1. On the red side, plant your right foot over to the right as you point up and to the right with your right hand. Now do the same on the black side. Back on the red side, step behind your left foot with your right foot as you extend your left arm down and to the left and bend your right elbow, bringing your hand behind your head. Then do the same on the black side. On both sides, step over to the left with your left foot as you put your right hand on your hip and bring your left fist up near your left shoulder. On the red side, put your left hand on your hip and bend your right knee further as you point to the right with your right hand. Now do the same on the black side. Repeat sections 1 through 5 of part 1. Repeat the first 6 counts of section 6 of part 1, then step in place on your right, then left foot as you move your right arm so that it is extended straight above your head. Hop twice as you punch upward twice with both fists. Step over to the right with your right foot, then clap your hands above your head as you bring your left foot over to meet it. Repeat this to the left, then the right, then the left. Plant your right foot and bring your right arm straight up above your head. Bend your knees as you drop your right arm, then repeat this move. Stand up again and extend your left arm straight out to the left as you bring your right hand near your left elbow. Quickly switch the positions of your arms as you look in the same direction and tap your left foot down behind your right foot. Bring your left foot back out to the left as you point to the left with your left hand. Bring your right hand around the left side of your face in a counterclockwise circle as you tap your right foot down behind your left foot. Bring your right foot back out to the right, then hop back on your right foot as you bring your left knee up and point to the left with your right hand. Bring your left foot and both arms back down and face the camera. For the rest of this section, I will describe the moves for the red side. The black side does everything in the opposite direction. Step forward on your right foot and bring your left foot up behind you as you bring both arms up to either side with your elbows bent. Move your arms back in as you bring your left foot back down, then bring your right foot back to meet it. Put your left hand on your hip and bring your right fist up near your head, pulling it down slightly as you move your right foot out in front of you, bringing your toes up. Extend your right arm straight out in front of you, then take 4 steps toward the center, starting on the right foot. Turn to face the camera as you take 3 more steps. On both sides, bring your hands in near your chest, then plant your left foot over to the left as you move your hands out and down behind your back.